Alright, I've been making videos lately about how to use Puppeteer, which is a really cool library, but if you ever want to build like a publicly accessible API with Puppeteer where you can hit it from a front end or something like Retool, which I've talked about before, then you're going to need to deploy your API, and when you deploy your API, you need to consider something called environment variables. And what are those? That's basically a variable that you can inject into your code and not hard code it. And the reason you don't want to hard code it is because these are for things like API keys or credentials, things that are really sensitive. And so when you are building an API or building really anything, it can be a front-end React app, and you have to use sensitive data like an API key, then you need to use environment variables. And the way you use an environment variable is just by writing a .env file and then having your value in equal sign and the value. And that's how you use it. You bring it into your React app, for example, by using process.env, and that also works in Node. So the next time you need to build something sensitive, take a look at environment variables.